How to add Gmail contacts to iPhone. Open your phone. Go to your settings. In the settings, search for contacts. Scroll down. Click on Contacts. Here, click on Accounts. Select Google from here. Enter your email here. Click on Next. Enter your password. Click on Next. Now your Gmail account is logged in. If your account is already logged in, you don't need to log in again. Simply select Google and see all the option on. Just tap on Option and select. Here your contacts were added to. Go back. Go to your contacts. From the top, select List. Here you can see Contact All Gmail. That's how you can add Gmail contacts to iPhone. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.